I made a video last time where I sampled people's opinions on the kind of business that they would love to do in China. And I got some amazing response from a few people. Some people inboxed me. And one thing that I noticed was that people always go into the business areas that are already saturated with big business tycoons. In this video, I'll be sharing with you an amazing business opportunity that I've just identified in China. And I think it will be worth sharing with my subscribers and with you watching who have not yet subscribed. Hit down and subscribe. So guys, stay on and I will be right back to share with you what this business opportunity is. I'll be right back. When it comes to buying something cheap yet effective, we all know that China is the best manufacturer in the wholesale market. Almost 90% of toys are produced in China, making it the largest industry in the section of toys. Many people are aware of China's wholesale market, but where to find the best ones is the first question that arises in your mind. So guys, in today's video, I will be introducing you to the toy business, to the toy industry in China. This is an industry, or this is a business that not so many people are already into it. And even if there are already some people into it, I think as a young entrepreneur, this is an area that you will want to explore. So in this video, I will introduce you to the different kinds of toys that are produced in China and where to find these manufacturers and wholesalers. Don't go, stay back and watch till the end. And if you have not subscribed yet, you will not want to miss such amazing videos in future. So hit that subscription button and be part of our amazing family so that each time I upload an amazing video like this, you will be the first to be notified. I will be right back. First question, what kind of toys are produced in China? We have educational toys, we have baby toys, we have electronic toys, we have kitchen toys, we have party toys, we have children toys, we have so many kinds of toys. Anything toy is produced in China. Now, where do you find these manufacturers? How do you connect with these manufacturers? I will be introducing you to 8 toy markets in China. And at the end of this video, I will tell you the 2 best and easy accessible toy markets and how to contact them and how to get access to these markets even if you are not in China. So let's dive into the first toy market in China. So guys, the first toy market I will be introducing you guys to is the Yiwu toy market. The Yiwu is one of the largest markets for commodity wholesale, and it is the heaven for anyone buying or willing to purchase goods at a less price. It is the most efficient and updated market with a huge variety of toys. A person cannot come and go out of this market without finding something to buy. The beautiful environment creates a childhood experience for every buyer. The market is located on Building 1 and there are 2,000 suppliers of regular toys, electronic toys, inflated toys, fabric, plush, and you can name them. The second toys market in China is the Shantou toy market. Shantou is one of the biggest plastic toys industry-based city in China, with a huge number of 8,000 suppliers of plastic toys. Here the prices are a bit higher due to the high quality of products, and the minimum order quantity is also a little bit higher than other wholesale markets. It is from 3 to 5 CTM, and the customer buying through this market is also actually directly buying from the factory, eliminating any middleman or trader to keep the stock. So the prices are not much affected by the traders too. And the third toy market is the Lingyi Yongqi China Toy Market. In China, the biggest toy market is in the south of China, the Yiwu toy wholesale market. But in the north of China, the biggest toy market is Lingyi. This amazing huge market has over 100 toys market, which include big and small both markets. The biggest one of them is the Yinhe Toys Market. There are 4,000 toys wholesale suppliers are located in A, B, and C areas. In the A area, we have electronic toys, children, bicycle, inflated toys. In the B area, we have plastic toys. And in the C area, we have plush toys or stuffed toys. The fourth market I will be introducing you guys to is the Yangshan Wungxinglong International Toys and Gift Market. This toy market is the best place for people who love plush or stuffed toys. This toy market is solitary and professional for plush toys. The building is located in a 180,000 square meter worth with a 2,500 shop selling only plush toys, plush materials, and plush gifts. The minimum order quantity here is nothing. Even if you want to buy just one single piece, it is acceptable. Of course, the price will be a little bit higher than the wholesale price. The fifth toy market, the Baigou plush toy wholesale market. The Baigou market is also a plush toy wholesale market, but if you are looking for a lower quality than Yangjiang Wungxinglong International Market, then this is the best option for you. The market has cheap quality as well as also low prices for plush toys. The market is located in a 20,000 square meter area with a total of 380 suppliers willing to sell cheap quality toys. With a little effort, you might be able to find some good quality as well. The transaction is around 130,000 US dollars daily. Normally they sell wholesale, but they also accept retail here. And the sixth is the Yinhe wooden toy market. Yinhe toy market is located in the Zhejiang province and also known as the China Wooden Toys Town. The theme of this market deals with forest resources due to which is worth 80% of the toys that are made from wood. This place is not a market, rather it is a city itself, which includes many shops and sellers inside. This market does not directly consist of shops or sellers, rather you will find directly the factories here, and the products here are supplied to the Yiwu toys market and to other parts of the city. The seventh is the Zhengzhou toy wholesale market. Zhengzhou is a city located in the Henan province, and the toy market here is close to Zhengzhou train station, and it consists of around 80 toy suppliers who stay in different plazas nearby. The quality of toys in this market is a little bit lower, and the price and minimum order quantity are also low. And the last but not the least is the Guangzhou wholesale toy market. Most people know Guangzhou because of the famous Canton Fair, which is located in Guangzhou. People usually get confused that where to find Guangzhou toys wholesale market. The guide will help you find it very easily. Guangzhou toy wholesale market is not located in just one place. There are almost 4 main toy wholesale markets in this area. So guys, now you've heard about the 8 major toys market in China. But I'll go ahead to give you the 2 that I think they are most preferred and they are easily accessible and you can easily get from small to large quantity. And the number 1 wholesale toy market in China I will introduce you to is the Yiwu wholesale market. In the Yiwu market, I think you can buy very cheap items, especially toys. And you can also buy toys like car toys, RC toys, dinosaur toys, educational toys, manga, capsule toys, silicon, and you can name them. And if you are looking for premium, high quality branded toys, I'll introduce you to the Shantou toy market. Here, the qualities are really top notch because they deal with branded toys, but it's not that expensive, especially if you're buying in bulk. So, guys, this is like an eye opener to some of you who maybe have the capital, but you don't know where to invest it in. It's never really a good idea to introduce or to invest your money in an area where it's already infiltrated by a lot of big businesses who have the capacity to buy in bulk. So guys, this toy industry is a really large one in China, and I think it's a business that a lot of people are not into it. There are a lot of schools out there that need toys. There are a lot of companies out there, a lot of families out there, especially during festive seasons. You can just contact one of these markets or just try. It's always good to do your research. You've seen the names of all these toy markets. Just go online and search Yiwu Toy Market or Guangzhou Toy Market. Find suppliers, get in contact with them, try to talk to them. So guys, at this juncture, we've come to the end of this video. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Give us a comment below if you have something to contribute or if you have something to add to what I've just said. And if you want to be part of our team, please subscribe. Share this video, and I'll always say, peace out. I'll see you in the next edition. Bye bye.